What's up, family? All right, all right, all right. There we go. Got it out. Perfect. Who's in here? What's up, guys? Hopefully you're doing great. Hopefully you're fantastic. Hopefully you could hear me. Let me make sure you could hear me right now. Let's see. Yep, you should be able to hear me. How is everybody doing? What's up, Key? How you doing, man? Yeah, I feel like everything's lagging on my screen. This is kind of driving me crazy. I'm gonna let's see. Let me move it back to my face for a minute while I reload the charts. I still can't find the remote for my Solomon trading after the electric went out. That's crazy. Let's see. If I close window, let me see here. Let me close some of my browsers. Maybe I have too much going on. I guess having 300 and some tabs open probably isn't good. Probably, you know. Let's see. Oh man, I'm doing so good. What's up, Mule? How you doing? Oh man, all is well. What's up, Dan? Hope you're doing good, buddy. Charlie. By the way, Dan, I emailed you back, bud. Just passed a 50K Apex. Let's go, Charlie. Good job, man. Let me close out these two. There we go. That should do something, I think. Putting in too much work on this thing. I need to start clearing out some stuff. There we go. Clear, clear, clear. I want to reload now. New window. Can we pass eval today, Bob? Let's try. Let's try, huh? Trading view, products, super charts. There we are. As a micro E mini. All right, let me share again. How's everybody's day going? You guys profiting? Like, what are you up to? It's close. It's close. Let me just do this. See if that fixes it. Ooh, I could just drag my window. That's sick. Okay, I think that's good. All right, that's good. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Well, let me put the chat up here so I don't miss you guys. See. Uh, set up as well. All right. Choppy minus 90. I see. Yeah. Need $500 to trade to pass. Top Step. Help me out. Let's do it, Mark. What up, Brian Papalando? Can we pass? Let's do it. What's up, Mark? Yeah, did you take any trades last night? All is good. I am finished for the day. Let's go, David Rowe. Let's go, David Rowe. You should just quit, right? You should go enjoy your life. Go enjoy your life now, buddy. I haven't traded at all today. I took one last night while I was playing pool. My son messaged me says, "Hey, Dad, there's a nice trade setting up for a buy," and I ended up taking it, made $1,100 real quick in front of my pool friends, my billiard friends, you know. Are you guys trading to prove something to yourself, or are you trading to build something? Like, is it nice to prove it to other people for you, or are you trying to build something for yourself? I'm sure most of you are gonna. I feel like I know most of your answers. Let's see. So right now we just have. I'm just gonna take this area right here. You don't have to worry about like anything in the market right now, other than. Well, this broke structure, so we could look for buys right here. Let me explain. Here's why. You see this mini thing right here? This wick didn't close below here. You stretch that out. This didn't close below here, making this like a high. So it closed above, man, I guess we'd call it that, or maybe this one, right? It closed above on the 1 hour, making this a block for me, this last spread before up movement. So right now it's between here and here for me. The next down, I mean, obviously you could mark this up. Why did it? It's gonna mark it up. Let's see, 1 hour low to the left. Okay, cool. Gonna lock that sucker. Let's get some freaking trades, guys. Let's get some trades. If you do me a favor and share this stream with your friends, like it. If you're not a subscriber yet, if you hit the subscribe button, notification bell, that helps me out a lot. I'm gonna look on the 5-minute real quick, see if there's anything. 3-minute. We could take a little stab at this block. So I don't like that this only wick down here, but if this closes up, we could maybe take it. The safer bet would be to wait for this one. I'm going to take that one because this closed solid under here on the 1. I don't see any like fair value gaps or anything other than that above that. So I'm just going to take a little stab at it, see what we could do. And put my stop below here, see if we could start pushing up again. Trade limit. I'm not doing a limit order. I'm just measuring right now. It's just easy for me. By the way, on this account, I need, see if you could see it. Oh, just over 4,700 and something on this account. I took a little 1,100 account last night. This is a take profit trader. If you don't have take profit trader, guys, I don't know what you're doing. By far my favorite. They paid the fastest. You just have to get used to like once you pass, there's a little live trailing drawdown. I also like Tradeify now. Been trading that a little. And I like, well, I don't want to say I like it yet, but I have a lot of students trading, what is it, Flux? They're loving it. Or Lucid. Top Step's awesome, of course. There's FBG on 5. Is it higher up? Yeah, a little bit higher up right here. You also have this this liquidity line being built, so it would be nice. Here's the dream setup. I wouldn't call it a dream setup. Maybe like the better setup, I should say, is if it came. Let's say it took a little while, started building up, maybe even took some more liquidity, then closed above here. That almost guaranteed, like as close as it could possibly be. You fired Top Step. Yeah, I don't like their new rules. I don't know them 100% exactly, but I'm hearing horrible things. Kind of sucks. 1 second, I gotta take this call real quick. I'll let you guys know if I'm getting in. All right, you guys there? Okay, cool. Um, I'm hesitant to do this, but we could take this and it could be a rocket. So let me kind of look. What's the time here? Move this out of the way. Let's see. 4 minute. I feel like if I'm going to do this, I'm going to put my stop below this 1 hour to the left just to be safe. See how I protect myself? I know you're like, oh my gosh, it's a 75-point stop. Like, but dude, just chill, bro, for sure. For real. Like, it's okay. 12, no, 11. Yeah, I'll do that. All right, I'm just going to get in. Bye. All right, we're going to take a stab at it, see if this is the rocket. If this is the rocket, it's going all the way up to this block, probably. Hmm. If it gets past this like liquidity line, it gets past here. Oh my gosh, it gets past this. Oh, that's going to freaking blast off. But, you know, maybe you don't risk a lot. Maybe you only risk like 100 on your prop. And if it doesn't work, it won't even phase you. You know what I mean? We're up in a 5 minute fair value gap right now. We're up at that liquidity line. There's a lot of reasons to go down, and it's also a lot of reasons to go up because it's, you know, I've made all my money doing the opposite of what all the retail traders are doing. So that means I'll be wrong quite a bit, but then when I'm right, my right is way better than my wrong, right? I think you understand that. Once you get over the high and the thrill of winning, I'm like quoting in the air right now. Why does it do? I hate how it flips when I just try to stretch out the freaking rocket. We need this rocket big. There we go. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put my DCA in though. One DCA, about right there. If it liquidates that, I'm going to put a buy. There we go. So if it comes back down here, tags me, it would move my entry about to right here, get out of break even, wait for a better trade. Gave you all the reasons it could lose. I'm trying to shake us out, shake out the ones that risk too much. And she ain't playing around. We've been having a lot of these days where we lose the like first one or two, then we hit a massive trade, you know? It's just kind of crazy. You got to tell the story. Like, why didn't they spent all this time pushing all the way down here and didn't take this? It's like they're trying to protect this low. That's my thought process. Obviously, I could be wrong. It's not really about being wrong or right. It's about just like having an edge at the end of the day. Up 500, nice mark. It's so much easier to like when you're back testing, you could see, okay, if I trade this way and I even have a bad week, like we back tested in the one-on-one. I'll show you. Probably don't buy trade Zella because I'm making one better. Just saying. But with this was on the YouTube 9th through 16 back test, right? Had a horrible week last week. Non-farm payroll, CPI, all that. And I did this live, and I just took exactly these trades. Only a 21% win rate, and still did 1,000 profit. Like, it was a horrible week. Just back and forth choppy. Looks like it got me in. Oh, shoot. This is a 150K account, though, by the way. So if this tags me out, which I'm shocked it didn't yet. Look at that. Look at that. Hopefully that's all it needed. It literally swept that, so I'll be looking for another buy if this goes up. So anything under like negative 200, I'm getting out because it's a 150K count. I should really say 300. I'm usually low. Not this time though. Good. So if it comes back up, cool. If not, whatever. I'll take the L. See if we can get that break even though. About right there. Just tag it. No, don't go back down. Don't go back down. Come up. Then we wait for proof. Works about 80% of the time. 80% of the time works about 100% of the time. Come on, just swipe this first. Let's come up here first. Come. Up here. What up, Alex? Dude, Alex freaking Rager. What the heck, man? It was like 6 months, 7 months ago, dude. Where you been, bro? Man, you all right? How's Ohio? I don't like that close. Probably going to lose this one. It's okay. I'd be shocked if it went up now, but it can. Like 6, 7 months ago, bro. Where you been, bro? Dude, you were like one of my favorites. Is that even a question? What's up, Bethany? Hey, man, I asked that question, and I'm secretly thinking like, ha, 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 I got out of there. I'm not going to lie. Every time I ask that question, so it's kind of like condescending in a way, but at the same rate, I know people love Ohio, so it's okay. Ha, 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 ha. Put an alert here so I don't have to keep looking at it. No. We have a little FEG here. Actually, both of these. Get above that. Get below me, Satan. Get below me, Satan. Come on, push, 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 push. Dang, I should stay in this. I think I might. If this closes up here, I'll go for it. I'm going for it. Go! Oh man, that's dangerous. Dang it. I'm not overthinking. I'm not overthinking. You got enough. You don't need 2-hour blocks. Get out of here. Go. Go. No. Hold on for dear life. Get up there. By the way, this is because I DCA, that's my entry now. So if we can get up to here, I'll be straight happy about that. I just don't like how much I'm leveraged right now because of the DCA. But every once in a while, you kind of do this idea because you see this fair value gap, this fair value gap, and it's got this liquidity up here. It could take out, and we swept this hour high. Like this would be like an entry for me. So to get out now, I'd rather just. Here's how I think about it. I'd rather lose $2,000 than miss. It's like I flip my brain. I'd rather lose $2,000 than the chance of making $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. Does that make sense? So like in my brain, I'm 100% okay with losing 2,000 to potentially make 2,000 to 6,000 or more. But I can't even make that much on here. I got to cut it at. Well, actually, I did the 11 o'clock. Ooh, I can only do. Shoot, that sucks. I can only do 11, 40, no, $3,400 more on this account today. What are you doing? Now, why would you like literally touch my entry and bounce? They must be watching me. They must be watching my demo account, Bethany. What's going on here? They're watching my demo. All the market makers are like, oh, Bob's in a demo account again. He's on his prop firm. Let's tag him out. All right, let me start reversing how I was talking. So it's not going to shoot up. It's going to go straight down. Look at that bearish momentum there. Falling knives. Like who would buy right now? That'd be stupid. That'd be so dumb to buy. I still hold what I said. I'd rather lose $2,000 than miss out on four to six. Whatever. Let me put a block here and block it. Let's see if this helps. There we go. Now we're safe. Green. If I make it darker, it's harder to get through. There you go. See? These are facts. Please don't share these secrets, these trading secrets, okay? Don't ever share that secret with anyone. I'm going to sell that. That's going to be my new front end offer for $7. You can't get through the dark green block. Just saying. It's the secret. Rocket? Where did the rocket go? There it is. Why are you all the way? Man, get up there, rocket. Maybe we need 2 rockets. 3 rockets? Why not? We're a whole fleet of rockets. We're not getting through that green block. It's crazy. Let's close this out. I don't need that. Oh, wrong. There we go. How did I not put a single Sprite Zero in the fridge? Got me eating or drinking like warm Sprite. Activate my trading view. It's like, dude, that's the only reason. Yeah, you got to have trading view just for the rockets alone. You know what I mean? You don't have the rockets, you're completely missing the boat. Like, see, look at this, man. They are having a hard time. I'm having a hard time getting past my invisible level there. I think I could make another green block. Stop building liquidity down there, you know? So this inverted fair value gap area is now another green block. We're just building this wall. Oh, yeah, some warm Sprite Zero. Slingshot engaged. Slingshot engaged. That's what I call a slingshot when it pulls back. There we go. Now we're good. Let's put him over here. You got to have the rockets in front. Hold on. I am failing you guys. Hold on 1 second. Oh. Come on, Will. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. Shake and bake. Watch me get copyright. Get up. What the freak? All right, let's put this here. There we go. Get above that, and we're good. Oh, no. Oh, no, I blocked it. I gotta make it lighter. Gotta make it lighter. I'm having one of these days, guys. I'm like a child with crayons or something. Why did I block it? It was getting above, and I put it in the way, and it started melting. Get up there. Just shoot up. You know what I picture? Let's see. It's like, yeah, slingshot. It's like catapult sling. No, not a sling for a catapult. What? Nah, let's see. What the crap, bro? Man, I don't know. I don't know. This is crazy. All right, hold on. Let me look at the 5 minute. Get out of here, Will. Nobody likes you anyways. Frank the Tank. Frank's drunk again. Hey, look. We wicked out this stuff, but why is it having such a hard time right here? It's so weird to me. Everyone loves Ricky Bobby, yeah. And my boy Blue? No. All right, Green Blocks, do your thing. Come on. One more time. Block it. Wow. This is exactly when I need to just go take a walk. Yikes. Oh no. Maybe if I make like a trend line right here. Let's put it right there. There we go. Got it almost on the dot. Let's create the new trend line up. Come on. Get up there. You can do it. I'm on one today. Come on. I would say, yeah, I would say it's a good shot at it, right? I'm something for sure. I don't know what that is. I'm just in that mood, you know? I don't know. This is what it's trying to do. Get up. We need some come on, Creed, do your thing, buddy. All right, I'll move it down a little bit. That's all you get. Not looking great, I'm gonna be honest. It's okay though. Trend line is our only shot between the trend line and the green. There we go. Ugh. All right, we liquidated that. Is that all you wanted? You waiting for a bounce to the green? No, I'm already in. So I've had multiple opportunities to get out of break even, but I thought, man, I thought for sure it would at least go like a 1-to-1 right here, without going over like the main. Get Creed, get out of the way. This main liquidity line they're building up. I thought at least get back up there, and I still think it will, but I don't know if they're going to wick us out first. So we're still in the original trade. Yeah, no man could actually admit they like Creed, but I'm just telling you straight up, like, if I just jam with some freaking Creed, it's like a perfect Florida day, you know, not too hot, and I'm like driving around with my top down. Oh, you kind of forget, who Creed is for a minute. Man, no, they're pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Get up there. Guys, do me a favor, like the video. Use the actual thumbs up if you can. Helps out the stream. If you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that fun stuff. You know the drill. Can't believe it's 2026. I still got to say things like that. Come on. Get with it. How do I subscribe? I don't know. Love me some Eddie Vedder. Nice. Michael Clues, what's up, buddy? Nah, you wouldn't admit it. It'll grow hair on your chest. You admit Creed is legit, it grows hair instantly on your chest. And then you might wear jean jackets, just saying. And a wife beater. That just made me think of my son. My son was... So there was like this school event. These judgy freaking people. It's so weird. There's like this school event, and I got to be careful of saying stuff. And we had no idea until it was like too late. Me and my son were driving around. They called like, "Hey, we got the event." I'm like, "Oh my gosh!" And then Aiden, my son Aiden, was wearing a wife beater, and we didn't know we were supposed to dress up either. So I was wearing like casual, and he walks in with a wife beater. I swear, there's like parents that hated him and thought we were horrible parents ever since. I'm like, do we even know that this thing happened? Like, I don't give a crap. Whatever. I don't even think of that. Eddie Vedder is Pearl Jam. Scott Stapp is Creed. Yep. I think he was just saying he likes Eddie Vedder. Maybe I'm wrong. To be honest, I don't know any of their names. I just know Creed. That's it. What are you doing, guys? Like, come on, bro. Like, it keeps just messing with me now. Ah, you got this stupid little wedge thing going on. If Brian was in here, we call it the Brian wedge. Rockets are formed out of here, but maybe it'll wick this first. If it wicks me out first, you have to get excited because we're taking out all this liquidity down here. And if you think it's just going to keep dropping, you're going to usually be wrong in that scenario. We do have this block way down. Well, no, see, even this is a block. We're like in 50% zone of a major block here. We wicked out this internal, well, that was an external block too. We wicked out that block, rejecting this. I'm still buy bias. It could drop for a minute, take this out, and then, but I'm still buy bias, like for sure. Come on, Will. Let's do this. I got rid of Will. Will was not working fast enough for me. He thinks he's on fire still. Get up. There we go. Get above here. So something big, whether that's drop and we lose, which is good because we could start over, or it shoots to the moon. It's going to happen in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Within 6 minutes, something big will happen. Most likely. Because we're running out of room. This wedge. This accumulation zone. What do you want to call it? Uh-oh. Let me pull a rocket down here so I can see it. There you go. Load up right here. Get in. That is so cheesy. Somebody stop me. Somebody, please. I will put my house on the line that it's going to buy. Like it's going to buy. My house is now officially on the line. I'm putting 1 million on the table. It's all yours if I lose. And I quit trading forever. I also have bridges I could sell you. Here we go. Slingshot engaged. Let's try to get up there again. Oh, no. These sellers are relentless. These are all facts, Bethany. You know it. I have to try to clean off my desk. No, really, just load up everybody's prop firm all at once. We're all going to get in max. We're just going to max all the way right now. Everybody, 5, 4. Don't really do that. And I'm not a financial advisor, so why are you listening to me anyways? Although, why would anybody listen to a financial advisor? No offense if you are one. Just saying. Or am I? Somebody stop me. FOMO! Go, 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 go. House on the line. Let's do it, guys. Putting the car up. I'm even giving away Bethany. Not like that sounded horrible. I take that back. Bethany, don't kill me. I was joking. Wow, that came off wrong. Okay, great. I just put 80, 80 micros on 5. Like I own you. I don't own you. Obviously. I'm just digging. Alex, dig me out of this freaking hole, dude. What are you doing, bro? Where are you at, Alex? Come on. Thought we were homies. That's probably Chelsea. That's why. That's probably Chelsea. Alex would already dug me out of the hole. Bethany bot, as we nonchalantly shoot to the moon right now. Come on, baby. It's a moment of truth. All right, we got above that line. Now, got above that line, so that one don't matter. We got to get above. We get above this. Oh. We did 2 more. Hey, I'm just going to say it straight up. If you put everything on the line right when I said to do it, you'd be rich. I'm just saying. I kind of want to see it shoot up. I'm kind of like gangster like that. I want to see it either lose $2,000 right now or give me a freaking massive win, massive dub. Now, I'm not saying you guys might not be mentally ready for that. I'm not saying I'm better than you or anything. I'm just saying like I'm fully capable of losing because I know the overall baskets of trades that I take. So if it's going to mess with your head to lose, just take some profit, you know? Like I know whenever Bethany loses, she just goes and lifts for 4 hours. She just goes and lifts heavy things. I will say going to the gym is freaking amazing for trading. Well, for anything, but you know. I don't got time. Yes, you do. Freaking go to the gym. Sweat it out. Work it out. I think most problems could be solved at the gym. Just like stress, anxiety. I could take a little dub here. I'm going to. 800 bucks. All right, so it's going to still play on this stupid little line here. 800 buck win. That's okay. Now I'm going to wait for a break. So if I get a break above this line right here, I'm good. And by the way, let's do a roll call. Who all just profited on that trade? Like straight up. Like let's just do it. Like who all profited? Let's just hear it in the group. Who passed the challenge? Who's getting a payout? Who's on a funded account this week? Who's passing prop firms this week? Who got a dub just now? If you failed on that one, I don't even know how you could have failed. Unless you freaked out. Remember I said, right, where was it? Like right here. I think they're trying to shake us out. And bam, sure enough, missed me by like a freaking hair, end up profiting 800. Literally like by a point, missed it. Literally by a hair. By the way, I need to put that trade in my journal. I missed last night's. This is kind of... Dude, AI is going to freak out on me about this one, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to do it. I think we got in up there, though. Man, okay, I'm just going to do it. Ugh. Let me load it up. It'll just take me a second. All right, let's see what the market says, what the AI Market Pulse says. Real quick while I'm waiting. Up 3K for the day. I'm holding for high of day. Brother free, let's go. All right, I need to update my thing here. 155084. No, I gotta update my stats first. I need to get a way to check that. So we did a what was that? 1 hour 3 or break a structure. That's what it was. 1 hour block. Did a structure break up? Enter, close a break. Was there liquidity above? Yes. All three, all four. So A plus setup for me. Broke above 1 minute structure. Hit my DCA and almost got out. Oh, I'll just leave it like that. My P&L was like 850. Just got to put it like roughly because like, you know, entrance was 24797. I actually don't know the original entrance. Hold on, let me show you the original. It's right up. Where the heck was it? Oh man, watch this. Oh, it's not even going to show me, is it? Yeah, there we are. Is it? This is me rewinding. There we are. Nope. Yeah, that was it. Who's calling me? Yeah, here, Johnny. Whoever you are. All right, entered at 24,825. 24,825. Exited. Then that's the hard part. How do you redo? Okay, redo. We're gonna go back the other way. What? Up? I pushed the up. What even is that? Oh, that's not working. No. I don't know. I'm gonna guess. It was right around 24,822. So I'm gonna have to. This is kind of be confusing for this. 4822. I know what I'll do. I'll take a screenshot. I gotta figure out how to redo. All right. What's the up button on a Mac? Can't actually be the up button, right? No. I feel stupid right now. It's not even redoing anyways. Well, you're dumb. All right. Well, I think it was something like that and something like that happened. Looks about right. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. Whatever. Close enough. I'll tell AI and maybe it can fix it. Wrong thing. Forgive me, guys. Well, don't. No, you know what? Don't forgive me. I'm too busy right now. I'm doing something. All right. Chill out. Back off. Back off. All right. Entered on the uh, 1 minute structure break. Put a DCA at 80% of stop and it hit and came back up and I won 850. Something like that. Leave a voice note. Price came down, hit my 1 hour block, then swept and did a 1 minute structure break back up. I entered. It came back down 80% of my stop. I re entered with the same exact contracts, and I would get out at the same stop, adding very, very small risk. I was going to get out at break even, but I saw that it could potentially rocket up, and I ended up taking $850 profit there. 1 minute cloud flip. Oh boy, it's that time. Add to trade journal. Am I in the right? Okay, I am. So let's see. And I had one last night too, but wait a second. This isn't even the updated one, I don't think. There it is. So let's get an analysis of that. This is my new one I'm launching this week, buddy. I'm still trying to come up with a name for it if you guys could help me, but it has social media built into it, so it's kind of crazy. But what's working now? So I'm at an 80% win rate in the last 2 days. What's working multi-time frame alignment, largest, most successful trades, blah, blah, blah. What's great about this is you'll be able to go back like all last month or whatever and see what was working, what wasn't working, when it started not working. And then there's a mentor mode. So like if you have a mentor, they can look over your work. Like I can go in here and I can see at any time. They could see your screenshot that you took, and they can listen to your audio if you want them to, and they could leave something on here, and then you could use AI to see what your mentor thought over the last month and what you did wrong against what your mentor said. You could do A+ setup, B setup, C setup. This should be launching this week, but if you guys help me with the name, that'd be great. Freaking fantastic. I need to get that. You know what? It's the same thing. I had one last night. I did a 3-minute FEG. Where was that? Thursday, 9:35. I think it was like right here. Let me go look. I'm going to put an alert right here. Actually, hold up. Just right there. I don't even need that. Screw it. Let's see. This could be a good trade. Oh, I go live in 2 minutes on members only. So if you're not a member yet, go to solomontrading.com and join for free for 7 days, okay? Get my indicator, get me for 2 more hours a day, solomontrading.com. I'm trying this out, see if you like the 7-day trial. But we're about to take this potential buy, and I want to, I might take a couple stabs at it, but see what Paul Sec says. You said there was a cloud flip? Yeah, there was. What I'll do is I'll enter right here with I don't want a 10 point on that. I'll do a 25. I'm just going to enter right now. Hold up. I'll leave you guys with that. If you're joining, let me know. SolomonTrading.com. Let's see. But I'll get the link ready. Shoot, I'm missing it. Oh my gosh. All right. $600 risk on there. Would have normally got in there. So that's a 37-point stop. See if we can push above here or not. $600 times 1,800. All right, 1,100, 1,900. I need 21, $2,600 more is max I can get today. So 26, that'd be 600 times. I can't get 26, can I? 26 plus. Yeah, maybe I can. Yeah, 26. 4 times 624. Roughly there. See if we can ride this sucker out, huh? To the freaking moon, baby! All right, let me set up the Zoom link, guys, for members only. It's 2 o'clock. Hopefully we could ride this up. Now, if this loses, we expect a sweep if it loses, and then I'm going to re-enter. We're going to figure out a way to re-enter, okay? So just in case you guys who are not a member of my community, we're going to go live for 2 more hours. Who all profited today? Let's get it. Let's get it. I got to move this out of my way. I need a bigger desk, guys. My gosh. It's like 6 feet, but I got so much stuff on here. Numbers on. All right, so here's the community. I'm going in here. Trading live right now. So hit that link, guys. There's still time to jump in if you want to hang out with us. What? Just hit this link at the top. Trading live right now. Oh, Alan Locks, 1 more funded. He's like 50K funded down. Good job, buddy. Just got my second funded. Will Dickey. I lost my first right after the payout. This is my first funded Lucid. Beautiful. I'm going to have to get a Lucid. Everybody's getting Lucid now. Vicky passes. Look at this. This is crazy. Vicky passes her 650K eval. Vicky, or Valerie. She said Vic. He said Vicky. Valerie Spicic. Oh, Christian. I love you, man. Let's see. Brian passed 60 evals. Beautiful. All right. So go to that link. I'm going to go post it in Telegram real quick. Let's see. Members only live trading now. All right, guys. Last chance. Hit up SolomonTrading.com right here. SolomonTrading.com. And if you're not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe notification bell. Beautiful. You can't say that out loud. You want to pull back. Now, if we lose this, you got to be totally okay with losing it, but I'm okay with this win right here for show. I might even add to it. If it like breaks this structure here, I might add a position. All right, guys, I'll see you on the members only live. I'm starting the Zoom right now. Again, go to SolomonTrading.com if you want to join for 7 days for free. Eddie, my man, 3,200 now unfunded, 300K. Guys, I pray that you have an amazing rest of the day. I hope that you are blessed in your business. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for the last hour. God bless you. Take care. Beck it out. Peace.